Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. I'm Daniel, and every week I'll guide you through powerful stories, ideas, and reflections, all in slow, natural English. No grammar lessons, no stress, just real language, real topics, and real progress. So take a deep breath, slow down, and let's begin. In today's world, reality is often a matter of perception. For years, we've trusted that seeing something means it's real. We've believed that videos, photos, and recordings are truthful representations of the world around us. But now we are facing a new challenge, a digital age where it's increasingly difficult to trust what we see. This new problem is called deepfake AI. Deepfake technology is a form of artificial intelligence used to create hyper-realistic fake videos, images, or audio recordings. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, deepfakes can manipulate existing media to create convincing content that never actually happened. For example, a deepfake might show a politician making a controversial statement or a celebrity involved in a scandal, things that they never actually said or did. Deepfakes can be so realistic that in many cases, they are indistinguishable from real content. The first deepfake videos were more innocent in nature, funny videos created for entertainment, such as celebrities singing songs or engaging in bizarre activities. However, as AI technology improved, deepfakes began to be used for more dangerous and malicious purposes. People began using them to create fake news, spread misinformation, and even manipulate public opinion. One of the most concerning aspects of deepfake technology is its potential to affect political systems. In recent years, we've seen deepfake videos used in election cycles to spread lies and damage reputations. For example, a video of a political leader making inflammatory remarks can be easily shared, causing chaos and influencing voter behavior, even if the video is completely fabricated. In some cases, the video may go viral before it can be disproven, leaving the damage done even after it's taken down. In addition to politics, deepfakes have been used in scams. In one instance, cybercriminals used a deepfake of a CEO's voice to trick employees into transferring millions of dollars. The employees thought they were receiving a legitimate call from their boss, but it was actually a deepfake. This type of fraud is becoming increasingly common, and it's very difficult to protect against. But deepfakes aren't just a threat to businesses and governments, they can also harm individuals. People have been targeted by malicious deepfakes designed to humiliate or blackmail them. For instance, deepfake videos have been created to show people in compromising or embarrassing situations, and these videos have been used for extortion. The consequences of such actions can be devastating to the victims involved. So, how do we combat the rise of deepfakes? What can we do to ensure that what we see online is trustworthy? First, we need to become more discerning media consumers. When you see something online, whether it's a video, photo, or audio clip, take a moment to question its authenticity. Does the content make you feel emotional or upset? Does it seem too shocking or unbelievable? If it does, it could be a deep fake. Second, we need to rely on the growing number of AI-powered detection tools. Many companies and research institutions are developing tools that can detect deepfakes with high accuracy. These tools analyze the subtle signs of manipulation, such as inconsistencies in lighting, unnatural facial movements, or audio distortions. However, as deepfake technology advances, These detection tools need to keep up. Social media platforms are also taking action. Some platforms now flag deepfake content with warnings, and they remove fake videos that violate their guidelines. Still, the problem is that deepfakes can spread quickly and widely, often going viral before they can be detected and removed. This is why it's important to rely on multiple sources of information before accepting what you see online as the truth. Another crucial step is education. We need to teach people, especially younger generations, how to think critically about media. Just like reading newspapers or watching the news, consuming online content requires skepticism and thoughtfulness. We need to understand the potential for manipulation, whether it's through deep fakes, Photoshop, or other digital editing tools. But despite the challenges, there is hope. Deepfake technology can also be used for positive purposes. In the entertainment industry, it's being used to de-age actors, bring deceased stars back to life, or create realistic CGI characters. In medicine, deepfakes are being used to simulate and study medical procedures, helping doctors train more effectively. AI-generated voices are being used in therapy and education to help people with disabilities regain their speech. So, while deepfakes present a real and growing threat, they also offer opportunities for innovation and improvement. It's all about how we choose to use the technology and how we protect ourselves from its dangers. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of Slow Talk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing,